Hello viewers, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Today's recipe is a very simple and delicious lunchbox recipe and I'm sure your kids will love this. It's chicken macaroni Indian style. So let's get started and check out the ingredients. First, I'm going to marinate about 200 grams of boneless chicken. It's been cut into small pieces. 3 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 2 teaspoons of corn flour, a pinch of salt and pepper. Marinate the chicken for about 30 minutes. Once the water starts boiling, add 1 cup of macaroni shells. Add a little salt to the water. Add a little oil to the water so the macaroni shells don't stick to each other. Turn off the stove, the macaroni is cooked, strain it and keep it aside. Take a white saucepan or a kadai, add a little oil. First cook the marinated chicken pieces. Cook this for about 10 minutes on medium flame. The chicken pieces are cooked. You can see they've browned on all sides. So add a little more oil to the saucepan. Next add 1 cup of finely chopped onions, finely chopped garlic, a piece of finely chopped ginger, 1 green chili finely chopped, 1 medium-sized capsicum finely chopped. Next add half teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 cup of finely chopped tomatoes. Season it with salt, chili flakes, ground some pepper. Next add half teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder. Add 3 tablespoons of tomato ketchup. Next add the cooked chicken pieces. Finally add the cooked macaroni. Turn off the stove and serve it hot. Finally garnish it with some fresh chopped coriander leaves. So there you go. I think it's absolutely delicious and it's a must-try recipe. So I've also done a vegetarian macaroni Indian style. So do check out that recipe as well. You can get a copy of our first edition of the home cooking book on Amazon and 21 Frames.